Hello dear children, this is Algebraic Identities Brain Teaser part 4 and now we will be solving question number 3. Factorize and evaluate for the given value. First you have to factorize and then you have to evaluate. Now see what is given in question number 1. 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. This is given. This is the algebraic expression 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. This is your algebraic expression and you have to factorize this expression first and then evaluate, means find out the value when x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 2. So I think you have understood the question. Before solving any question, children, it's very important to understand what is given. Now see, I'll just do question number 1. You see how we can do this. See, 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Now if you simply look at this expression, you'll understand it. See, 2x whole square, 4x square can be written as 2x whole square and this 9y square can be written as plus 3y whole square. Now let's see, if we are taking this as A and this as B, it is coming a square plus b square and the middle term is also positive. So let's see if it is 2ab, 2 into 2x into 3y. Now see if we are writing this as 2ab and then is it coming to be a square plus 2ab plus b square? See, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So we are getting 12 and then this is xy. So xy. So here this complete algebraic expression is coming to be in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which means it is equal to a plus b whole square. So we will simply put this as 2x plus 3y whole square. Okay. Now what is the value given for x here? X is minus 2 and y is 2. Put the values. 2 into what is your x? Minus 2. Plus 3 into what is your y? 2. And this whole square. See, this whole square. So here also whole square. Now see, 2 into minus 2 will give you minus 4. Plus 3 into 2 will give you 6 whole square. Now see, this is 6 minus 4, 2 square. So that will be equal to 4. So I think you got it. The value of the first expression is 4. Now let's see the next question. What is given? The next question is 4 by 25m square minus mn. See, 4 by 25m square minus mn plus 25 by 16n square. Now see children, here also it is coming in the form of a square and then here it is b square, middle term is negative. It seems it comes in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's find out whether it is coming or not. See, 4 by 25 can be written as 2 by 5 and m square can be written as m whole square. So 2 by 5 m whole square and this can be written as 5 by 4 n whole square. 25 by 16 n square can be written as 5 by 4 n whole square. Now let us see if this is our a square and this is our b square. Let's see whether it is coming as minus 2ab in the middle. 2 into 2 by 5m into 5 by 4n. So see, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 and 2 again cancel, 5 and 5 cancel. Now you are left with, if you see nicely, in the middle you are left with m and n. So you have only mn in the middle and so this we are getting the middle term. Now see that what we can do in the final way. See, so this is our a square, this part is a square, this part is b square and this part is our 2ab, minus 2ab. Okay, this part is our minus 2ab. That means here it is a minus b whole square. So simply children, let us write it as 2 by 5m minus 5 by 4n whole square. Okay, this becomes 2 by 5m minus 5 by 4n whole square. Now what are the values given for m and n? If you see properly, see the values are given. M is equal to 5 and n is equal to 8. So put the value of m and n. 2 by 5 into 5 minus 5 by 4 into 8 whole square. Now see nicely, this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. 4 ones are and 4 twos are. So here you are left with 2 minus then this 5 into 2 minus 10 whole square. So 2 minus 10 you will get minus 8 whole square. And minus 8 whole square is nothing but 64, because minus 8 into minus 8, this minus and this minus will give you plus. 8 8s are 64. So you get the value 64. Simplify. I have taken two questions together to make you some concepts clear here. See, in the first question it is given a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Please see properly, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. And the next question is 3x plus 7y whole square minus 3x minus 7y whole square. Children, please note here. See, suppose if you are taking a plus b as a and a minus b as b, here you have a square plus b square. This is a square plus b square. But if you are taking 3x plus 7y as a here in this example and 3x minus 7y as b in this example, it is a square minus b square. We don't have any formula for this a square plus b square. But for a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b. So this concept must be clear to all of you. You should not do this thing for this, because this is meant for a square minus b square only. A square plus b square do not have any formula. Okay, now let's see how we can solve the question. Now let's see question number 1. See, we don't have any formula for a square minus a square plus b square. So simply what we have to do, in our own method. See, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Simply you expand. A plus b whole square formula you know, a minus b whole square formula also you know. So simply expand. When we expand the first one, you will get a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the second, you will get a square plus b square minus 2ab, isn't it? Now see, simply plus 2ab and minus 2ab gets cancelled. Now see, a square and a square together you will get 2a square. And this b square and b square together you will get plus 2b square. So if you take out 2 common, you will get a square plus b square. So it's very simple, children. It's not very difficult. But yes, you have to remember the identities. You cannot apply wrong identities. If you apply wrong identities, you will get the wrong answer. Now next, for the next question, let us see how we can solve it. For the next question, you all know it is coming in the form of a square minus b square. Now see, suppose we take a is equal to 3x plus 7y and b is equal to 3x minus 7y. If we consider a is equal to 3x plus 7y, b is equal to 3x minus 7y, then this 3x plus 7y whole square minus 3x minus 7y whole square will be equal to a square minus b square. And this a square minus b square means a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Now let's find out how much is a minus b. A minus b means if you take this as a and this as b, you write 3x plus 7y minus of 3x minus 7y. See, when you subtract, what happens? When you subtract, the terms, the sign changes here and here. So 3x minus 3x gets cancelled and you will get 14y. So this a minus b is equal to 14y. So this you have to keep this in mind. A minus b is equal to 14y. Let me write down this here. You are getting a minus b as 14y. Now let's see how much is your a plus b. So a plus b will be equal to 3x plus 7y plus 3x minus 7y. So when you are adding, there is no need to change the signs. Plus 7y minus 7y gets cancelled and you are left with 6x. So a plus b is equal to 6x. Now children, that you know how much is a minus b and a plus b, you can simply put the values. Now see, for a minus b, you will put 14y. Okay, and for a plus b you'll put 6x. So 14y into 6x. 14 6 are 84 and then y into x will give you xy. So simple. 3x plus 7y whole square minus 3x minus 7y whole square is equal to 84xy. Let's see some more simple. 6a plus 5b plus 4c whole square minus 6a minus 5b minus 4c whole square. Now see, if you try to understand what is given here, it is again in the form of a square minus b square. See, suppose if you take 6a plus 5b plus 4c equal to capital A and 6a minus 5b minus 4c as capital B, then you see this whole thing becomes a square and this whole thing becomes your b square. So it comes in the form of a square minus b square, and you know that a square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b, isn't it? So simply let us find out a plus b and a minus b. What is your a plus b and what is your a minus b? I am doing it here itself. If you want to see, you can just go through this. See, I am finding out a plus b. This is your a plus b. Let's see what you are getting. If you are finding out a plus b, you will see that plus 4c and minus 4c gets cancelled, plus 5b minus 5b gets cancelled, and you are left with 12a. Okay, so your a plus b is equal to 12a. Now let us see how much we are going to get for a minus b. Let's see how much we are going to get for a minus b. So a plus b is 12a. Now you have to find out a minus b. For a minus b, children, you nicely know when you are subtracting, your sign gets changed for the number which you are subtracting. So 6a will become minus, 5b will become plus, and 4c will also become plus. Now see here, 6a and minus 6a gets cancelled. 5b plus 5b you will get 10b, plus 4c and 4c you'll get 8c. So you are getting 10b plus 8c. For a minus b you are getting 10b plus 8c. Now children, if you nicely see here, you'll come to know that here for a minus b you will write 10b plus 8c, and for a plus b you will write 12a, and your answer will be easily obtained. So let's see what we are getting. I'm just clearing the board. Okay, this a minus b is equal to 10b plus 8c, and your a plus b is equal to 12a. Okay, I'll just clear the board and put it here for your convenience now. Now see, here you'll get a plus b into a minus b will be equal to 12a into 10b plus 8c. See how easy it is. 12 into 10, 120, a into b, ab, plus 12 8s are 96 ac. It's very simple, children. You would have done this using the formula a plus b plus c whole square, expanding this term first, then expanding this term, and then subtracting, but it would have become a very tedious job for you all. This is one of the method which is helpful to you, and it can be done very easily without complex additions and subtractions. Okay, so this is very easy, but yes, you should always remember the identities and must also know where you have to apply it. Now let's see the next question. A square minus b square into a square plus b square minus of a square minus b square. Children, listen carefully, and while you solve, first read it. When you read it, you'll get all the concepts clear. See, a square minus b square into a square plus b square. That means this is coming in the form of a minus b into a plus b. If you consider a square as capital A, then you see, and b square as capital B, then you see this will become a minus b and this will become a plus b. So this becomes your a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. See, this will become a square minus b square. A square minus b square means small a square whole square minus small b square whole square, minus of again a square minus b square. So this will become a power 4 minus b power 4 minus of a square minus b square. Children, this is square outside. Please note here, the square has been rubbed up because we were doing the sums there. So this is a square minus b square whole square. Okay, so don't get confused. This is, see, a square minus b square into a square plus b square minus a square minus b square whole square. Now see, this has come into our formula. So this becomes a power 4 minus b power 4 minus, now see this one. This one comes in the form of a minus b whole square. So that will become a square plus b square minus 2ab. So let's expand this. You'll get a power 4 minus b power 4 minus, now put this in bracket, a power 4 plus b power 4 minus 2a square b square. Okay. Now let us see what comes next. You'll get a power 4 minus b power 4. Again you remove the bracket, minus a power 4 minus b power 4 plus 2a square b square. Now if you see nicely, you'll get minus a power 4 plus a power 4 gets cancelled. Here minus b power 4 minus b power 4, you will get minus 2b power 4. Children, while writing, do not forget to put the squares properly. See here, this is plus 2a square b square. So here you will be left with plus 2a square b square. Children, you can take out 2b square common. If you take out 2b square common, you will be left with here minus b square and here plus a square. So finally your answer will be 2b square into a square minus b square. So that's all in algebraic identities brain teasers part 4. So let's meet again with brain teasers part 5. Till then, take rest, stay indoors. Thank you.